So today we are going to explain the concept of Lean Six Sigma from Motorola to modern Marvel, the untold story of Lean Six Sigma. So first of all, you need to know what is Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma comprises of two words, Lean and Six Sigma. Now, what is Lean? Lean is a manufacturing philosophy which shortens the time between customer order to payment received by eliminating the waste. Now, there are 8 different types of waste in Lean. This is expressed as downtime, DOWNTIME, which means defects, overproduction, waiting, not utilizing people, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. By eliminating this waste, we can reduce the time between customer order to payment received. That is the main fundamentals behind Lean. So the main focus of Lean is to increase the speed, productivity, and efficiency. Now we need to know what is Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a statistical, data-driven process which seeks to improve the quality of the process by reducing the variability in the process. A process is considered Six Sigma when no defects are expected in 99.999666% of all chances to produce them. So only 3.4 defects are expected per million opportunities. That is called DPMO, which means defects per million opportunities. Means only 3.4 components can be defective if I'm going to produce 10 lakh components. So the main focus of Six Sigma is basically quality improvement, reduction in process variation, reduction in defects. That is the basic fundamentals of Six Sigma. So, hello, this is Surajit Banerjee. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World. So today we are diving deep into the concept of Lean Six Sigma. So now I am moving into my next concept, that is basically the origin of Six Sigma. The concept of Six Sigma came from USA Motorola. Bill Smith started the concept of Six Sigma while working in Motorola in 1980s. And Jack Welch, the CEO of GE, he basically popularized the concept of Six Sigma while working in GE in 1995. The main focus, the main goal of Six Sigma is basically 3.4 defects. Target is 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Means only 3.4 components can be defective if I'm going to produce 10 lakh components. So that is the main goal of Six Sigma. Now, Six Sigma focus area. As I have already explained, the Six Sigma is a statistical data-driven process. So the main focus area of Six Sigma is statistical process control, statistical quality control, and data-driven decision making. Six Sigma takes decision based on real data and not on assumptions. Now, the origin of Lean. The concept of Lean came from Japan's Toyota. Toyota Production System (TPS) gave the birth of Lean in the mid 20th century. In the mid 20th century, the focus area of Lean basically to eliminate the waste. Waste means downtime, which I have already explained to you. Now, Lean Six Sigma tools. Now, Lean tools are basically 5S, Kaizen, VSM, Gemba, JIT, Kanban, etc. And the various Six Sigma tools are control chart, Pareto chart, histogram, design of experiments. All these tools are basically your Six Sigma tools. So when we implement these tools in our real world, practical field of work, then we get huge success if we can implement the Six Sigma tools properly. Now we need to know the integration of Lean and Six Sigma. In the 1990s, saw the combination of Lean with Six Sigma. Means speed is combined with the quality. Then you get a supercharged approach, which is basically Lean Six Sigma, because Lean is now combined with Six Sigma in the 1990s. And General Electric played a huge role in popularizing the concept of Lean Six Sigma all over the world. So now we need to know the Jack Welch impact. Jack Welch basically, he was a CEO of GE. He was also a Lean Six Sigma champion. He basically helped to popularize the concept of Lean Six Sigma all over the world because GE implemented the Lean Six Sigma concepts and they got huge success in terms of the cost savings projects by executing various cost saving projects, which has basically influenced the world leaders and which helped to popular the concept of Lean Six Sigma all over the world. That was basically the impact of Jack Welch. Now, adoption beyond manufacturing. See, Lean Six Sigma is not only applicable to manufacturing, it is applicable to healthcare, IT, software, supply chain management, Whether you are a student, whether you are working in some industry, or whether you are a businessman, Lean Six Sigma is applicable for everyone. Lean Six Sigma basically dependent on process. It is not person dependent. That's why Lean Six Sigma is applicable everywhere. If you can implement the tools and techniques properly, you can get huge success in your own area of work. So Lean Six Sigma is not only restricted to manufacturing, it is applicable everywhere. Now, Lean Six Sigma today, in today's world, Lean Six Sigma is integrated with digital world and also data analytics, data science, because Lean Six Sigma focuses on real data, not on assumptions. So analysis of data is very important in the while executing the concepts of Lean Six Sigma. And today it is integrated with digital world. So we are not talking about not only operation excellence, but also we're talking about digital excellence, and which basically Lean Six Sigma uh, helps to achieve that in today's world, because we can have digital 5S. So everything can be digital today, and that basically facilitate the concept of implementation of Lean Six Sigma across various industries and departments. The takeaway, the perfect synergy. So Lean Six Sigma integrates with Lean and Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma basically Lean and Six Sigma, so it basically helps to eliminate the waste as well as the improve the quality. So ultimately, it can help to improve my customer satisfaction. If customer is satisfied, there will be huge business growth. There will be operation excellence, continuous improvement, business excellence, and that is a basic takeaway from Lean Six Sigma. That it helps to build the customer trust and loyalty. So customer satisfaction, business growth, operational excellence, everywhere you can have a perfect result in terms of business development. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. I'd also like to say that share your thoughts in the comments below, that what you have learned today, or whether you have implemented Lean Six Sigma principles or tools in your area of work, or whether you are planning to implement various Lean Six Sigma tools or techniques in your area of work. So what is your takeaway? What is your experience? What is your thought process on Lean Six Sigma? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you have learned something new today from this video. So share your experience in the comments. I'll be very happy and obliged to see that. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank you all